Children learn and develop English literacy skills from round about towards the end of primary 3, and they start off with doing reading and progress to doing some writing.
From primary 3 onwards, the children gradually begin to do some English work. Very little in primary 3, a little bit of reading, a little bit of talking about the reading books. But as they go through the school up to primary 7, you're doing a little bit more each year. You're using maybe English reference books, maybe using English websites on the internet. And gradually English becomes part of the curriculum. And we feel that's necessary because when the children move on to high school, they have to be equally skilled in Gaelic and in English. And I think studies have shown that we do that particularly well in Gaelic medium, that children who go through Gaelic medium have well developed English skills.